Do your Anthurium leaves look like this? Brown and black spots ruining the beauty of your plant? You might think it's just a random leaf issue. But here's the truth. It's a warning sign that your Anthurium is struggling. And it could get worse if you don't act fast. Don't worry, today I will show you exactly how to deal with this problem and get your Anthurium thriving again. And at the end of this video, I'll give you my pro tip to keep your Anthurium always thriving. This is a classic case of fungal or bacterial infection, and it's caused by one thing: overwatering. When the soil stays too wet for too long, the roots start suffocating. This creates a perfect breeding ground for pathogens, which then spread from the roots up to the leaves. Here is how it starts. First, older leaves are affected because they are weaker. Small yellow spots appear and eventually turn black as the tissue dies. And see these rings around the infected area? That's where the pathogens grow in stages, leaving behind clear signs of its damage. But the good news is, this can be fixed. Let's walk through the simple steps to save your plant. Remove the damaged leaves. First, cut off the infected leaf. Make the cut at the base of the stem where the leaf connects to the plant. This ensures the infection doesn't spread further. Adjust lighting. Move your Anthurium to a spot with bright but filtered light. They don't like direct sunlight, but too little light makes them weak and prone to problems. Fix the watering. Check if your pot has proper drainage. Water should flow out freely. Water your Anthurium only when the topsoil feels dry to the touch. And always try to avoid overwatering, it's a slow killer. Repot if necessary. If the soil has been staying soggy for days, repot your plant in fresh, well-draining potting mix. Use something like peat or coir, high in organic matter but lightweight. And you can put some stones or gravel at the bottom of the pot to help drainage. And now, here's my pro tip. Want to keep your Anthurium happy? Here's a pro tip. Feed your plant with a fertilizer high in phosphorus every 4 to 6 weeks. It helps promote those stunning flowers and keep the leaves lush and healthy. Just remember, over-fertilizing can burn the roots, so less is always more. If the fungal infection is severe, watch this video. Link is in the description. With just a few adjustments, you can turn this sad, damaged plant into a vibrant masterpiece again. Anthuriums are resilient. Follow these steps and your plant will thank you for those stunning glossy leaves. Hope you like the info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.